What is a pocket listing in real estate? A property listing that is kept private and not advertised to the general public. What does the term appraisal contingency mean in a real estate contract? A clause allowing the buyer to cancel the contract if the property doesn't appraise for the purchase price. What is a homeowners association fee? A fee paid by homeowners to cover the cost of maintaining common areas and amenities. What does the term underwriting refer to in real estate? The process of evaluating a borrower's creditworthiness and risk for a mortgage loan. What is a home equity loan? A loan that allows homeowners to borrow against the equity in their home. What does the term appraised value refer to in real estate? An estimate of a property's market value by a licensed appraiser.